Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, we will explore the Gemini apps. It's your all-in-one AI hub. With Gemini, you can do so much more than just chat. For example, just try a prompt like this. Like this. Like this. As you can see, Gemini instantly generates a day-by-day plan with post ideas like this. But that's only the beginning. Gemini can even generate short videos or images based on your prompts. You can just activate it, like choose videos with VO feature, and if you want to generate an image, you can just choose image with Imagine. And Gemini also can do deep research for you, and even it has a guided learning to help you study. And then you will also find gems. This one, it's like a ready-made templates for tasks like for generate a storybook, and then chess jam, brainstormer, career guide, and more. And if you want something personal, you can also create your own custom gems to automate repeat tasks. And just click on these buttons, and your gems will show in yours area. And also, Gemini also integrates smoothly with your workflow. For example, like this, I will type a prompt like this. Like this. And like this, as you can see, Gemini sync directly to your Google Docs. You can check it on your Google Docs like this. Like this. It syncs directly in here. And like that, Gemini isn't just an AI chatbot, but it's your workspace assistant, content creator, researchers, and even task manager all in one. And okay, maybe that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.